Hi guys, it's Charles here with Charles Harrison Music. Apologies, I've been a bit AWOL recently. I've been really focusing on some production stuff, so I've got a few things coming up with that. And because of that, of course, there's only so many hours in the day, so the old axe gets left behind every now and then, a little bit rusty. But just doing some noodling this morning, thought I would do another lick to sort of cover a few of the questions I've been getting. I'm going to get straight into it, but the questions are, what are these cell things I'm talking about? So a cell is just an arbitrary name for an interval or two, really. So it could be 20 notes in a row, you could call that a cell, but cells normally you would think of as a smaller chunk. So this cell that we're focusing on today, I would call the major scale cell. Again, very arbitrary name for it. It's just a root and then two tones in a row, this shape here. There you go. Okay, so root, tone, tone, either up or down. So I would call that the major scale cell. Completely arbitrary. So that's the one we're focusing on today. This lick is very chromatic, just simply shifting that shape around, and it resolves onto the note B flat. I'm hearing this as a G minor resolution, but I can also hear it as a B flat. If you wanted to be a bit more adventurous, you could hear it as the 7 of a C7. It doesn't really matter, but as long as you're resolving to the note B flat and it's included in the harmony, then it's going to sound great, and even if it's not, it might work as well. So this is the lick, nice and simple, this one. Excuse any rusty playing today. Okay, so certainly not my finest hour, but hopefully you get the general idea there. Picking is important with this one, so let me just see if I can figure out what I'm doing. I'm picking the first note, the 11. That entire string is truly legato. Then I'm doing sweeping the 7 and the 8. Sweep. Down picking on the 9, sliding down to the B flat. So pick, upwards, upwards, down, slide. So anyway, hopefully that's vaguely useful for you guys. Not the most exciting lick in the world, but might finish a line nicely. It really highlights this idea of constructing motifs from cells. Like I say, a very simple and obvious one, that really the truly exciting lines are the ones where you are mixing loads of different cells together, but we're just focusing on the major scale cell today. So hopefully that was useful for you guys. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Please do hit that like button if you liked it, and hit that subscribe button if you really liked it. Any comments down below? Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Cheers.